Today let's draw something on this cheap Android tablet that I had with me for quite a long time, but I never tried to draw on it. So today let's see what we can do on this probably the cheapest Android tablet. I have downloaded the Infinite Painter app on it. So now let's make a blank canvas and I'll give it a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels and leave the other settings at the default value. Now hit create. First I'm gonna need some of my custom brushes, so let me import them now. This is the color palette we are gonna use today. You can also get it. Just take the screenshot and pick the colors from it and add it to your palette. Currently I am using the trial version of the app, that's why you are seeing these blue icons here. Okay, here is a quick tip to get smoother ends of the stroke as if you are using a pressure sensitive stylus. Just go to the brush settings and open the head tab. Now scroll down to the flow curves and disable the pressure and tilt curves and enable the velocity curves and invert its direction like this. And that's it. Now if you draw slowly, the strokes will be very light and gets darker as you draw fast. In this way you can fake the pressure sensitivity. So that's it. Do share your work on Instagram with me if you were following along with the process. And the conclusion is yes, the drawing experience was slow compared to an iPad or a decent Android phone, but it's usable. So I hope you guys will not make excuses that you don't have a good device to draw. Okay, hit the like button if you learned something, subscribe if you haven't already and want me to make more videos like this, and press the join button to support the channel. See you guys in the next video.